Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this IcyTreat ice cream and frozen treat maker. This is model IC1010. Here it is in all its beauty. Take a look at how great this thing looks. Underneath it, it's got these suction cups, so it stays firm on any surface that you place it on. This thing can make gelato, ice cream, sorbet, frozen yogurt, Italian ice, slushies, ices, frozen drinks, and milkshakes. It comes with 3 of these pints. They have measuring lines on them. You want to go ahead and put your ingredients in here once they're blended with the blender. Freeze it for 24 hours and then place it in here, and you got 2 modes you can go ahead and use to go ahead and stir that up and make it nice and whipped like an ice cream or a very nice malt beverage. Here you got these silicone lids. There's also 3 of these. You can go ahead and place these in your pints like that for storage. It also comes with this very nice ice cream scooper right here. It comes with a recipe book. So let's take a look inside that. Just shows you some basic recipes for making different kinds of things. It's got a quick start guide, super easy to use, and the complete user manual. It also comes with a cleaning cloth right here. So as you can see, these are the modes to select from right there. That's a closer look. And basically, to unlock this thing, you want to go ahead and press this button right here, twist it, pull it up, and then press this button right here to release this. And that will allow you to clean this out, fill it up with whatever ingredients you need and whatnot. Here is the thing that turns. This thing will turn and make your beverage or your ice cream nice and whipped or slushed up. So this thing is great for any type of cold treats. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.